Greetings students, this is Sivasis Sandilya and today in computers for class 6 our topic of discussion is multimedia application packages. So till now we have learned what multimedia is, what are the elements of multimedia and what are the uses, advantages and disadvantages of using multimedia. So today we are going to discuss the application packages related to multimedia. A multimedia application is an application which uses a collection of multiple media sources. For example, texts, graphics, images, sound, animation and or video. So these were the 5 elements of multimedia: text, graphics, images, sound, animation, video. Graphics and images are more or less the same thing. So these were the 5 basic elements of multimedia, and an application which uses one or more of these multimedia sources or elements is called a multimedia application. Try to remember that might come as a definition question in your exam. So in the illustrations given in the screen, the text editors are Notepad, MS Word, OpenOffice.org Writer, KWord, etc. So these are some examples of text editors. In the same way, there are image editors, and the examples of image editors are Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, Paint Shop Pro, Picasa, etc. Some examples of audio editor are SoundForge 9.0, Sound Recorder, WavePad, Adobe Audiflame. Some examples of video editor are Adobe Premiere, Sony Vegas, Adobe After Effects. Some of the animation editors are Flash, Swiss, Lightwave, 3D Studio Max. So these are some applications which deals with certain multimedia elements. For example, the MS Word which we use to type a letter or an article is a text editor. In the same way, Flash is an animation editor. Here are 2 questions. Fill up the blanks. Question number 1. Examples of text editor packages are Notepad, MS Word, Dash, KWord, etc. Question number 2. Examples of image editor packages are Dash, Adobe Illustrator, Dash, etc. You can go back in the video, look at the illustrations, images given, and you can note down the answer. Now I am showing you the answers. So examples of text editor packages are Notepad, MS Word, OpenOffice.org Writer, KWord, etc. And number 2, examples of image editor packages are Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, Paint, etc. So now let us discuss each of these packages individually. Text editor packages. Text editor is a type of program used for editing plain text files. Text editors are often provided with an operating system or software development packages and can be used to change the configuration files and the programming language source code. Examples are Notepad, MS Word, OpenOffice.org Writer, KWord, etc. So, if the question comes, define text editor package or what is a text editor package? So, the answer is in front of you in the screen. The answer will be text editor is a type of program used for editing plain text files. Now, that will be the answer if the question comes for 1 or 2 marks. But if the question comes for 3 or 4 marks, then either you have to add the examples or the second point also. So now the explanation, simply the packages, the applications which helps us to edit text are known as text editor packages. Simple. Image editor packages. Again same thing, the question may come as define image editor package or what is a image editor package. Image editor is a graphical program which deals with the generation, representation, manipulation and display of pictures with the help of a computer. So, the basic translation is an image editor package helps us to generate, represent, manipulate and display pictures. It is used for logo creation, making hoarding, banner, handbill, brochure, poster, etc. So, using an image editor package, we can create logos, we can create hoardings, banners, we can create handbills, brochures, posters, etc. Some examples are Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, PaintShop Pro, etc. Now, video editor package. Video editing program is an application software which handles the editing of video sequences on a computer. So, all the softwares that helps us to edit videos comes under the video editor package. These packages are typically based on timeline paradigm where sections of moving image video recording known as clips are laid out in sequence and played back. So there will be some timelines where we can put on clip after clip and then those clips will be combined together into a movie. Examples include Adobe Premiere, Sony Vegas, Adobe After Effects, etc. So basically these are just examples, these are just different names of different softwares and applications. Don't get confused about what it is, I have never heard of this, don't worry. The examples are of software names, these are some softwares which we use to edit videos. Audio editor package. Audio editing software lets users modify audio clips, produce studio quality soundtracks and add audio to video clips. So, in simple words, audio editor package helps us to edit audio files. For example, there is a video and I want to put my voice on the background. An audio editor package will help us do that. Let us say I sang a song. Now I want to give it an effect of reverb or some other effects. That will be done by an audio editor package. When editing audio files, you can cut, copy or paste parts of recording and then add effects to them. So, if there is a long audio file, you can cut it, delete the useless part add some more important parts and compile it again into one single file. So basically, once again, a audio editor package helps us to edit audio files. Some examples are SoundForge 9.0, WavePad, etc. So these are softwares which helps us to edit audio files. Simple. Now, animation editor packages. Animation editor deals with generation, sequencing and display of set of images to create an effect of visual motion. It is used specially for making animated advertisements of flash display on web pages. It is also used for cartoon animation. Examples include Flash, Toon Boom Studio, etc. So basically, in simple language, an animation editor package helps us to create and edit animations. Simple as that. Now here we have to fill up the blanks. We have to answer in one word. Write one word for the above. Number 1, the application software which handles the editing of video sequences on computers. Number 2, Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, etc. are examples of which type of packages. If you wish, go back in the video and find out the answers. I will show you the answers after 3 seconds. So, the application software which handles the editing of video sequences on computers, video editing packages. Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator are examples of this type of package, image editor package. See, as I always tell you, sometimes the answer is hidden in the question itself. In the first one, editing of video, so of course it will be video editing package. In the second question, Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, illustrations and photos can be edited by an image editor package. Simple. So here are some match the followings. You have to match the icons of the given softwares with its names. The first one is done for you. The first icon is of Adobe Flash. Try to solve it yourself. I am giving you 2 minutes. Pause the video for 2 minutes and try it yourself. Now I am showing you the answers. So these are the answers. Now here we have a crossword puzzle. Pause the video and try to solve it out yourself. I am giving you 5 minutes. Pause the video for 5 minutes and solve it yourself. Now I am showing you the answers. So these are the answers. I hope you got each and every answer correct. If any answer was wrong, correct it and try to remember it, because crossword puzzles questions may come as true or false, answer in one word, or fill up the blanks, or one sentence answers in the exams. So remember each and everything that is taught to you in your classes. So now here is an interesting thing. The question asks you to use the internet to identify the given logos. Write their name and package type where they belong to. So this will be a good activity. What you can do, you don't need to do this right now, okay? In the evening when the classes are over, when you get free time, at that time you do this. Don't go to the answers right away. What you will do, you will take a screenshot of this screen, then the help box below the table gives you the names of the softwares. So one by one you will search for each software online. Use google.com or Bing. You can use any search engine to find out which logo belongs to which. For example, if you type Picasa and press enter, or type Picasa logo, then the search engine will show you the logo of Picasa. Then let us say Picasa name you have written there, and in the third column the package type. What type of software that is? Is it a text editing, video editing or animation editing software? You write that in the third column. What did I say? Take a screenshot, don't go to the answers. Try it in the evening. After that, come back to the video and match your answers with the correct answers. In that way, you will learn how to use internet properly. So, I hope you will enjoy the activity. Now I am showing you the answers. So these are the answers. I hope you enjoyed the activity. So this basically brings us to the end of the second chapter. So our next class will include a doubt clearing session. This basically completes the syllabus of computers for tier 1. Thank you everyone.